Have you tried everything to lose weight and it seems that, after 40, nothing works anymore? Suddenly, that diet that used to work now only brings frustration, and your metabolism seems to be in slow motion. It's not your fault. What no one tells you is that after 40, your body changes, and following the same strategies you used when you were 20 or 30 can really backfire. But the good news is that there is a smarter way, without crazy diets or hours of exhausting training. The secret is to understand how your metabolism works, how hormones influence weight loss, and which habits really accelerate the burning of abdominal fat after 40. What if I told you that small changes in diet and lifestyle can completely transform your results? Today, you will discover the best weight loss tips for women who want to lose weight without suffering, and without falling into traps that only make the body hold on to even more fat. So if you're ready to finally see real results, stick with me until the end. Metabolism after 40, how to speed it up. Naturally. After 40, your metabolism seems to slow down as if you've pulled the handbrake. Your body, which once burned calories effortlessly, now stores every extra bit as belly fat. But the good news is that this isn't a definitive sentence. Small changes make all the difference. Drinking more water, getting enough sleep, and intermittent fasting for women are powerful ways to boost your metabolism. In addition, replacing long periods of sitting with short walks throughout the day can also activate calorie burning. A healthy diet for women over 40 can also be a powerful ally. Foods rich in lean proteins, such as eggs and fish, increase thermogenesis and help preserve muscle mass, essential for keeping your metabolism running fast. Spices such as cinnamon and cayenne pepper also give a little boost to fat burning. And there's more. Short, intense workouts, combining strength exercises with aerobics, are a secret weapon against a slow metabolism. But for this strategy to really work, you need to understand a factor that many people ignore. The importance of hormones in weight loss. Few people talk about this, but hormones are like conductors conducting the weight loss orchestra. And after 40, they can turn into a real horror show. Estrogen levels plummet, cortisol levels skyrocket, and insulin levels become more unstable than ever, making it easier to accumulate abdominal fat after 40. But before you panic, know that there is a solution. Small changes, such as reducing refined sugar, practicing intermittent fasting for women, and managing stress, can rebalance the hormonal system and unlock weight loss. In addition, some foods act as true natural regulators. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, kale, and cabbage help metabolize estrogen. Magnesium, found in almonds and spinach, reduces cortisol and improves sleep. And if there is one thing that cannot be missed, it is quality protein, which stabilizes insulin and keeps you feeling full. By adjusting your hormones, your body starts working towards weight loss again. But for even better results, you need to invest in a strategic approach to exercise. Smart workout, exercises that work. Best after 40. After 40, workouts need to be chosen wisely, avoiding the myth of excessive cardio. Exercises for women over 40 that combine strength and mobility are allies in weight loss after 40. These workouts help combat slow metabolism and speed it up, promoting effective burning of abdominal fat after 40. Functional movements, such as squats and push-ups, demonstrate that weight loss for women can be dynamic and transformative. A short, well-structured workout can be the secret to renewing energy and achieving surprising results. Incorporating strength, exercises with mobility not only speeds up metabolism, but also reinforces weight loss tips for women. With practical guidance, intermittent fasting for women integrates harmoniously into this exercise routine. This inspiring approach reveals that the path to a healthy body is built with consistency and creativity. Conscious eating. Eat better without restrictive diets. Restrictive diets may work in the short term, but for most women, they end up becoming a trap. The yo-yo effect does not happen because of a lack of willpower, but because the body fights. against extreme restrictions, slowing down the metabolism and increasing hunger. The key is to eat healthy for women, focusing on nutritious foods and satiety. Eating quality proteins, good fats, and fiber helps control appetite without having to obsessively count calories. Another essential point is learning to recognize real hunger and differentiate it from the urge to eat on impulse. Small changes make all the difference. Using smaller plates, chewing slowly, and including more bulky foods such as leafy vegetables are simple and effective strategies. In addition, by understanding how hormones and weight loss are connected, it becomes easier to avoid traps that sabotage weight loss after 40. But there is an invisible factor that may be hindering weight loss without you realizing it. Sleep and stress. The invisible impact on weight loss. Few people realize, but poor sleep can be the biggest culprit when it comes to losing weight after 40. During sleep, the body regulates essential hormones such as leptin and ghrelin, which control hunger and satiety. When you don't get enough rest, these hormones become unregulated, increasing your cravings for carbohydrates and making it harder to burn abdominal fat after 40. Creating a relaxing nighttime routine, avoiding screen time before bed, and drinking calming teas such as chamomile and lemon balm can improve the quality of your sleep and, consequently, help you lose weight. Chronic stress also has a direct impact on your weight. Excess cortisol promotes fat storage and also causes uncontrollable emotional hunger. Simple strategies, such as walking outdoors, meditation, and deep breathing, help balance your nervous system and reduce the negative effects of stress. For those who live a busy routine, taking short breaks throughout the day can make a difference. When sleep is regulated and stress is under control, metabolism works better, hormones are balanced, and weight loss happens naturally. But is there a truly effective method for women over 40 to lose weight without suffering? Now that you know the best strategies to speed up your metabolism, balance your hormones, and lose weight without suffering, the question remains, what are you going to do with this knowledge? Are you going to keep trying restrictive diets that only bring frustration? Or are you going to implement these smart changes that really work for women over 40? Your body is ready to change. It just needs you to make the decision to take the first step. So tell me, which of these strategies are you going to put into practice first? I want to hear your opinion in the comments. And if you want to continue learning about sustainable weight loss for women, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Together, we will build a journey of health and well-being, without suffering and with real results. See you inside the next video.